2-6 switched up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Get with it and get rolled over, man.
What up, YouTube? Back again with another one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Switched Up 2-6 here. Hey, we back with some more upgrades for the RC, guys. So today, man, we got some halos, y'all. We got some halos. We got them halos, man. Shout out to what's my man's name, y'all? Can't get it out. Straight Up RC. Purchased them these bucket lights for the halos on there. So we're gonna get ready to throw these things on the candy and chrome, yo. So that's what we picked it for. We're gonna throw these on the candy and chrome, man. I think them color lights and all that stuff gonna look great on there, guys. So that's what we gonna do today, man. So y'all keep it locked, man. And happy Sunday fun day to y'all as well, man. It's a nice, beautiful day out here, guys. Let me go out here and walk out here so you just see the sun, man. It's a gorgeous day. It's a little windy, but it's a gorgeous day, man. We might take the darn 79 out, man. Get us a little tip in today, man. And we might be doing another video, guys. I got a lead on something. I ain't gonna say nothing just yet, but hey, I don't know which one's gonna come first, this video or that video, but who knows, man. We got gonna pull the car out here in a little bit, man. First we're gonna get these upgrades done, guys. We're gonna get these upgrades done, and then we're gonna probably pull the 79 out, get us a little tip in, man. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy this nice weather, man. The nice weather is starting to come in, guys. So that's what we might do, man. So y'all keep it locked. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel, man. And share it as well, man. So y'all keep it locked, man. Let's go. Alright, guys, so you can see from that little time lapse, it shouldn't took as long to do this, but man, we finally got it, man. We finally got it. Yes, sir. Just had to figure out this wire combination and which buttons to push, man. So, but I think we got her figured out, guys. We got her dancing. Yes, that's what we looking for, man. How y'all think that's gonna look against that paint right there, man? Yes, sir. I think that's gonna be funkadelic. That's exactly what I was going for, man. So you know what time it is. Now it's time to mount these jokers. Get everything in place, man. We got it functioning like we want it to. So now we just got to install the buckets onto the car, the lights into the buckets. And then we're going to got me some little wire hold downs, man. We're going to try to get it a little clean up under there, man. So wires not hanging everywhere, guys. So y'all keep it locked, man. Y'all make sure y'all drop and hit that drop below, man, and hit that subscribe button for me, man. So hey, let's keep going, man. Yes, sir, gang. So we got her done, man. We got her done, baby. We got her done. We got her done. Make sure ain't nothing. Wires ain't hitting nothing. Make sure everything functioning like it's supposed to, man. But we got action, baby. We got action. Yes, sir, guys. So we got that thing functioning. We got the halos installed, man. It really wasn't that bad, man. It was a little time. It wasn't time consuming. Let me not say time consuming, but we had to fish them wires. I ran it to the front of the grill. I grabbed me some wire hold downs with some adhesive tape on it, man. And what I did was I put a couple of them. I put 2 of them at the front of the grill, tie the wires down, hold it so it's not in place in the way of the functioning part, guys. You know, it's gotta clean it, man. I'm sorry. You got all your functioning for your hydraulics or whatever right there at the front. So got them wires hold down out the way, man. We got everything out the way like we wanted to. I gotta put my antennas on, man. I still ain't did that, guys. But yeah, got it held in. We had to get a little bit, man. I grabbed some Vaseline, guys. Just some Vaseline, man. Those housings are kind of tight, man. So gotta sort of like grease them a little bit, get a little lube on there, man, so you can slide them in a whole lot easier, man. After I put the Vaseline on there, they slid right in, no problem, man. Just a little push, twist. But she went in place, guys. She did what she was supposed to, man. So that's the end. This is gonna be a wrap for this one, man. We got them lights in there, man. We got them lights in there, man. What y'all think? YouTube, let me know what you think, man. Comment below, let me know what you think, man. That a nice combo for that color, man. I think that's gonna look good on that color, man. That look good on that color. Yes, sir. So I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. And y'all hit your post notification bell so you stay up to date on what we got going on, man. And share it as well, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. We'll see you on the next one, man.
Yeah, 2-6 switched up.